Hello friends, let's write some C programs to understand data types in C. So in this program I'm going to use an integer variable to make you understand what is its use and limitations. As I said before, main is must in all C programs, so I'm writing main. In future I'll be writing programs which uses user defined function also, which means that functions will have the names defined by us. Here I is an integer variable in which I am storing the value 100. I am trying to print the value of this variable using printf statement. Few things will be new to you, which I will explain. I am using one more function called getch. Though the purpose of this function is to accept a character from the keyboard, in this program we are using this function for holding the output in order to view. So let us save this program. We will call this program as integer.c. We'll compile this program. You can even press Alt F9. You can execute this program by pressing Ctrl F9. So the output is 100. Now let us try modifying this program to some extent to understand how int works. Now I am going to make the value as 3.33. So the expected output is value of I is 3.33. Let's see what happens. Value is coming as 3. So what happened to that 0.33? An integer variable can store only integers. If you try to store a floating point number in an integer variable, all the value after the decimal point is truncated. So now we need a different data type to store this floating point number. So let me reset the value back to 100. Declare another variable. Let's say I'll declare the variable here. See what happens. I'm getting error. So is there anything wrong with the syntax? Float followed by variable name? Nothing. The syntax is absolutely fine. If you read the error message, it says declaration is not allowed here. So which means in a C program, all the variables are declared in the beginning of the program. So the ideal place for declaring float f would be here. We used %d to display an integer variable. Similarly, use a %f, f stands for float, to display the value of a floating point variable. So no errors, only one warning that says function should return a value. I'll explain more about this in future example. Now we will run this program. So the output expected is 103.33, which we got.